compressor machine எப்படி DAW connect பண்ணனும் bro connect பண்ணலாமே வாங்க பாப்போம். So basically first thing you need a converter and you need a compressor இல்லாம connect பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல. Yeah, so I'm using the CremRC Tegler Audio CremRC to connect and I'm having the converter called antelope. So inge enoda in the setup la vandu I am having patch base. Okay, patch base vandu patch base oda ideas vandu all the equipments are connected into patch bay and patch bay la irundha da we design where to connect and andha mari. So if you don't have a patch bay இப்படி கூட பண்ணலாம். patch bay இல்லனா இன்னும் சிம்பிளா பண்ணிக்கலாம் உங்களுக்கு. Let's say you have the converter and converter ஓட பின்னாடி imagine you have the 3 and 4. You are using the 3 and 4. Okay, I am having a stereo compressor. So you are taking 3 and 4 output from your converter into the input of your compressor. Okay, and from compressor output la irundhu you are connecting back into the input of the converter. Okay, so இதுதான். So confusions வேண்டாம். நான் இங்கே 3 and 4க்கு பதிலா I will take 9 and 10. இங்கே நம்ம 9 and 10 வச்சுக்கலாம். Utility IO. So இதில் first thing you need something called IO. Okay, IO na IO கிடையாது. Input and output. Okay, so அதுதான் வந்து IO. So output I am taking the 9 10 and it is already connected into my, so I have to connect it. Yeah, so I have to connect the compressor. So what I am doing is ipo inge 9 and 10 the inputs and output I have chosen. So first thing you need a IO and the taking the outputs from the antelope or output, it is getting into the CremRC oda patch inge irukku. CremRC oda input ku connect ஆயிருக்கு and cables எல்லாம் அப்படி நீட்டா விட்டுறணும். And CremRC oda output வந்து it has to get back into the antelope's input inge. Okay, and yeah, and first thing you have to click the ping. So inge வந்து input ஆ போட்டுறணும், மேலே வந்து output 9 and 10 போட்டுருக்கு IO ல. Okay, clear? And latency detection ping பண்ணணும். ping பண்ணும்போது ஒரு sound வரும் and it will show the latency detection here. Okay, so ping பண்ணிட்டு you can see and your see, yeah, it is connected. You can see in the meter. Even எனக்கு CremRC oda plugin இருக்கு. I can see the compression here in my meter. Yeah, yeah. So this is how you can connect the compressor into your sound card. Thank you for watching. Let's talk sound.